Hey everyone, want to block pop-ups in Microsoft Edge? Blocking unwanted pop-ups can make your browsing experience safer, less distracting, and more enjoyable. Microsoft Edge includes a built-in pop-up blocker that helps prevent most websites from opening unwanted pop-up windows. In this full guide, I'll show you how to block pop-ups in Microsoft Edge in 2026. So let's get started. First, launch Microsoft Edge on your computer. Click the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the browser, then select Settings. Next, click Cookies and Site Permissions from the menu on the left. This section lets you control how websites interact with your browser. Now click Pop-ups and Redirects. This is where you can manage whether websites are allowed to display pop-ups or automatically redirect you to other pages. Turn on the block option if it isn't already enabled. Once it's turned on, Microsoft Edge will automatically block most unwanted pop-ups and redirects while you browse. If a trusted website needs pop-ups to function properly, you can add it to the Allow list. This lets specific websites display pop-ups while keeping the blocker enabled for all other sites. After configuring your settings, browse a few websites to make sure everything works as expected. You should notice that unwanted pop-ups are blocked, while approved websites continue working normally. For the best experience, only allow pop-ups for websites you trust, avoid installing suspicious browser extensions, keep Microsoft Edge updated with the latest security improvements, and use Microsoft Defender Smart Screen for additional protection. These features work together to help keep your browsing safer, and that's how to block pop-ups in Microsoft Edge in 2026. Whether you're improving browser security, reducing distractions, or preventing unwanted windows, the built-in pop-up blocker makes browsing much more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.